Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing the August Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you are going to be so excited because this August box's theme is Kind is Cool, and this was in collaboration with Callie Danielle. So such a fun box full of fun for back to school. I can't wait to show you what's inside, but don't forget to stay tuned to the very end because I'm also going to go through your digital downloads. So let's dive through all the fun. Your first thing that you're going to be so excited about are these transparent sticky note set. Love these fun, bright colors. I love to use these in my reading group. So such a fun one to add to your teacher kit and throw in your bag. So love these. They're 50 sheets each, and this is such a great thing to have in your teacher bin this month. You're also going to get your art print of the month. This one is so pretty. It says Being Kind is Cool. A fun one to add to your collection, or write a neat note to a teacher friend wishing them a great school year this year. You are also going to get this exclusive sticker roll set. This one's so fun. I can't wait to put this on all my students' hard work this year. I love the smiley face design, so a fun roll of stickers for you to add to your teacher bag of fun. You are going to also get these colored pen sets. They are gel pens. I have to show you because they're colored ink, but these pretty pens are also in the design of a pencil. So how cute is that? A fun set to add to your collection of teacher pens. So cute. You are also going to get a new thank you card. This is perfect to thank your teacher friends for a great school year or someone that helps you out this year. So a fun one always to have on hand is a thank you card. You are also going to get a brand new decal sticker. This one was made with love. It says don't overthink it. So a great philosophy to have for your back to school. Perfect to add to your laptop, water bottle, a special place for you for a great reminder. And last but not least, you are going to love this brand new teacher pouch that you get. This one is a canvas pouch. I love the printed design, but also has this embroidered pieces on it too. So cute. I love the gold zipper, and it has enough room to hold all your teacher fun this year. So I can't wait to add this to my teacher bag. I love all the fun exclusive things that come in your August box, but we also have some fun digital downloads, and not only do you have desktop wallpapers and phone wallpapers, but you also get some printable downloads, and these are also designed with Callie Danielle. You get your August calendar, you get your exclusive design weekly checklist of things. You're also going to get access to some fun decor things, so you have some like coloring pages, you have a new lesson plan, you have a cute little birthday board. You have some borders that you can print year after year. I thought these were so cute, the cupcakes, plus some pennants. And of course, you're going to get access to all her cute letters to use year after year for your back to school design. So cute. We can't wait for you to get your August Teacher Care Crate box in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you back for your September box. Bye!